Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish Charak, and here I am here explain about the K nearest neighbor classifier. The K nearest classifier. We defined our K near model by setting the core hyperparameter, which is mentioned in n underscore neighbor, which is sklen dot neighbors import neighbors, and the final phase. The KNN is a simple yet powerful non-parametric lazy learning algorithm used for classification. It makes prediction based on similarity to classify new data point. It looks at the majority class among its nearest neighbor. Our goal is to apply this to the classic iris dataset to classify different flower species. The first species involved in our loading our essential libraries from Scotland, including the key K neighbor classifier. We then loaded the iris feature and labels. The crucial preparation step is for splitting our data. We used 70 of 30 split. We used the 70 of 30 split. 70 of 30 is analog 70% of the data for training the model and reserving 30% of unseen tests for objective unit. We then refined our KNN model by setting score hyperparameter, which involves n underscore neighbors k to 5. This means that any new flower, the model will identify the 5 closest flower samples, and here are some of the samples. And training the model simplifies fitting the calculation to our 70% of training data. After training, we used the model to make prediction and held out 30% of the data set. The final phase involved in religious evaluation using advanced metrics, confusion matrix. Confusion matrix. And matrix showed the confusion matrix means this matrix showed as the breakdown of correct and incorrect prediction for each species. For example, all 15 samples of the Sedosa species Sedosa species were classified correctly. There were only one error. There are versicolor flower. The summary provides a precision recall and F1 score for each class. All over, the performance scored a high accuracy of 0.98 or 98 percentage. Specifically, the model achieved perfect 100 percentage, which is 98 percentage means 97.78 means 98 percentage, which is perfect precision recall for the Setosa species. And our K nearest neighbor classifier proved highly effective on the iris dataset, achieving excellent classification performance with 98% of the accuracy. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you. See you at the tomorrow.